Welcome to Supercar World TV. You got to see this. Factory 5, big block, mid-engine, goes down the half mile, not quite straight. Check it out. Saw this thing coming out of the trailer, just the color alone. My first thing, is it a wrap or is it?
No, it's actually paint. It's chrome, so they paint the car chrome.
Yep.
And then they paint a candy, translucent type color over the top of it, just like you would on a traditional candy paint. But
yeah,
of course, it's a special process they go through.
It looks so good, I thought it was a wrap.
Thank you.
Just yeah, it looks great. Factory 5.
Factory 5. Yeah.
Did you build it all yourself?
Not all of it. Shane at V-Raptor Speedworks did the majority of the build.
Okay.
And Hot Rod Customs in California did the paint and body work on it.
So it was all your design and setup. Yeah. What's in it?
Right now, Mass Motorsports Source 454 LSX. So it's the Iron GM Performance block.
It's got a big block in it.
Yep.
Really?
Yep, 454. Right now it's just fuel injected. I got a nitro system, but we're not running it out here today. It's just 710 horse on motor. That's at the flywheel, so we're putting down probably around 600.
So it's a big block. Actually, it's the first big block rear-wheel drive car or mid-engine I ever seen, actually. That's where you get the first. And no turbos on it, no supercharger.
No turbos, no supercharger. I'd like to see that in the future.
Yeah.
Right now, I haven't even got it to where I ran it all out on nitrous, so until I can run it all out on nitrous and I feel comfortable with it, I'm just keeping natural aspect.
Yeah, so you're a little uncomfortable today, I heard.
Yeah.
What happened?
I got some front end lift issues for some reason.
Yeah.
Up around 140, 150, the front end started to come up.
Yep.
And it actually spun around on me. I was going 160 is what I seen on the dash. And it started to spin, and I spun through the trap, and they clocked me at 151 sideways. Sideways, yeah.
All right.
Spun around like 2 or 3 times, but I didn't hit anything. Yeah,
that's good.
Right,
yeah, so you're done for the day. That was enough.
I would have went back out, but I flat spotted both the front tires, so.
Okay.
You know, you don't want to go out there.
I'm going to take a bet this is the fastest Factory 5 out there. You don't know about that? Well, at least with a big block in it.
I'd like to be.
Yeah, the first one, a big block.
If I can get it all out, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, and then if you put the turbos in, and I don't know, and it's over. So you'll be around what?
Yeah. I hear Nelson Race Engines built they built one twin turbo, it's 1,200 horse, but they showed a video of it. We've never seen it past that, so I don't know if it's out on the streets. But yeah, so mine's street legal. Take it to the track, take it home.
Take it home. Take it
to Arby's.
Yeah. Well, the thing's gorgeous. Thank you so much, and good luck with it. I can't wait to see it with turbos on it.
Well, that does 144. The GTM does 153. I believe it was about 148 miles an hour.
Join us next time on Supercar World TV as James speaks with the owner of Vengeance Racing and finds out why they are building some of the top performing half-mile cars in the world. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Supercar videos.